We are outside again in the forest. Welcome to Loewenwood Forest Homeschool, where we are trying to get the kids out for at least 1,000 hours for 2019. We're heading around, just walking around in the front yard. Head back around to see where the kids are. For the green thing? Why? What's for the green thing?
A hole.
A giant hole?
Yeah, I didn't dig it. A woman stepped in it and she got her foot stuck. So I covered it and now it's a trap.
Why is it green?
I found a cupcake. It's because we brought them over.
Yeah, you guys need more cupcakes or muffins or ice blocks or whatever you want. We can link to the video down below and just up here on the top of the screen. How we like to make those. It looks like you guys used a lot more color in these ones, hey?
Yeah.
A little bit darker than the last one.
Yeah, that's because we made purple with one, which we mixed all of the colors together, which also made purple.
Really?
Yeah.
Weird. Oh, Magdalene needs to keep walking, guys. Are you gonna walk before me, Jack?
No, I'm just rocking her so as we get here.
Alright, I'll take over. You go play. Yes, so this morning, Magdalene is a little bit grouchy, so yeah. Because Magdalene had a diaper explosion. Always happens right before you're trying to head out the door, right? So that's what I was dealing with before we came out. And now we're just having a nice walk so she can fall asleep while the other kids play in the front yard. So what are you pretending that these... What are you pretending that these are, Evelyn?
Food, and those are my creature pots.
Your creature pods. Oh, because you're playing Wildcraft?
Yeah, and green one has creature pots and somewhere special.
Cool. Creature pods. So they turn you into different creatures when you hold on to them.
No.
Oh.
They go into our suit,
Oh,
but we don't have them on now. And then you put it in the soup and you turn into something like an owl or a bird.
Cool.
Like something like that.
Please help Carolyn out, guys. This way, Carolyn. As I said earlier, good morning, everyone. So I'm here on my front porch to ask you a very good question, a very specific question, and that is, when is a good time to get outside? Yeah, that's a great question. When do you have time to get outside and really enjoy it with your kids? So today is -10 and I'm a little bit chilly because I usually wear a few more layers. Whew, I thought it was warmer. But without the sun, it is a lot cooler. We have a storm coming in. We're gonna have a lot of snow the next few days, so a lot of clouds. Anywho, back to the question. So with a lot of trial and error, and you can obviously see at the end of my video, that's when I post how much time we spent outside and the time we were outside. So if you've stayed right to the end, then you'll see the times that we've been outside. And I was trying to get out in the morning. I was trying to get out morning and afternoon. And I just realized that because it's so much work to get everyone dressed, it's better just to go out once for as long as we can. And that seems to be best after lunch because I have the least amount of grumpies after lunch. Everyone is fed, everyone is got some pent-up energy because we've just done school and they're ready to get outside. So rather than waking up, giving them breakfast and trying to get them out the door when it's cold, we wait till after lunch when generally it's a little bit warmer and yeah, they're just ready to get outside and run around. So that's what time we use. What time have you found? And I know it's a very personal thing because maybe you're not home after lunch. Maybe your kids go down for a nap after lunch. So when is a good time for you to get outside? What did you make, Evelyn?
Candy!
You made candy? Show me.
Lolly?
You made a lolly? Hold it still so I can see.
Lolly?
Are you actually eating it?
Yeah.
Are you really? Okay, what else did you make?
Candy, bubble gum.
Candy bubble gum? Is this a candy or is that a stick?
No, it's a stick.
Okay. What else did you make?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. And is this all at your store?
And
Do you have a store or a bakery?
And wrapped up candy.
And wrapped up candy? Is this at a store, a bakery, or a candy shop? What do you have?
This is not a place where people come and they ask if what's for sale, but some of them I eat. but most of them are for me and most of them are for other people.
Okay, so it's a store, but you eat most of the candy.
And she gets to eat some because we're Clap Brothers instead.
Oh, you're still Krat Brothers, but you make candy.
Yeah. No, we don't. We just put the candy underneath. Because musically we like pretending. Musically we're like making stuff in the mouth.
I gotcha. Oh, looks like
I like
Carolyn's eating
making
some of your candy. What
Yeah.
are you eating, Carolyn?
A banana.
That's a banana.
Oh, my lollipop.
You'll have to make a new one. Can you make another one?
Yes, because I have many already.
Oh, good.
I can make another one. There.
Oh, hooray. That's pretty cool, eh, Jackson?
Yeah.
So what do you think made this?
Ice. So this thing melted some snow, and then it melted, dripped.
So you think it was the fireplace flue?
Yeah, and then it went down here, went here, drooped down, hit here, which looks like a lot gathered.
Well, it was heat, but you know what it was?
What?
It was actually the dryer vent.
Oh yeah.
So there's our dryer, because we have it on our first floor.
And then it melted, and then it made this super awesome looking
Yeah.
shape.
Well, you know what a dryer does? It takes the moisture out of clothes. So that moisture that comes out of clothes makes sort of steam. It's been so cold that that steam freezes against the house, and we end up with this.
Look at all these blobs.
It's interesting that it's so far down the house. It's not right under the vent. So probably there's a wind that's like pushing the steam back against the house now.
Yeah, it looks like this water managed to get here. Make a clump of, look at that, that's my face.
Oh, that stuff looks like hair or fur.
Yeah, there's a lot more right here.
Yeah,
Look at that. This thing, it goes almost all the way up. Coolest thing that we've discovered.
Here's our total time for today.